boys. I'm from Sheffield.
My name is Elias and I live in the UK.
I'm Gentiana, I'm from Belgium.
Hi, my name's Jasper.
And my name is Lubica.
Hi, my name's Henry and I come from Wimbledon, which is not too far away, so I haven't had far to travel today.
Hi, I'm Cathy.
I'm Sammy.
And this is my son, and we came here today to educate both ourselves on how to make more out of our money.
Hi, I'm Ali Houston. This is my second day doing the one-day workshop.
And today was fabulous. I really thought it was interesting, especially that everybody can do it. Everyone can have the skills, but it's just the mindset. You have to have a winner's mentality, you have to have the discipline, and just go for it.
Today was really wonderful because I just discovered Marcus on YouTube a week ago, and from then I just binge-watched every videos and read his books.
It's been absolutely incredible. I've learned so much more the second time that I didn't pick up the first time. So these courses are available. Do them more than once. I also did the 3-day workshop as was, and it was absolutely phenomenal, absolutely brilliant.
I find it really educational because also Marcus is really inspirational, and it all makes it go in. It's very interactive as well.
I found the seminar excellent, thought Marcus was inspirational and huge energy, very impressive.
So I actually really enjoyed today. I actually do recommend you to come for at least try one day to see whether it's your thing or not.